Well, here it is in the afternoon, the same day that I put the light up there in the sunroom. It worked out really well. Did come across the fact that I'm on the garage, and up behind me here is this garage door opener. Well, I can't get to it. And as you can see in there, this gear is nylon or plastic or something, and it's all chewed up. So there it is. So what I'm going to do is throw this away because it's 30 years old. It's like the model number there. The last two digits is a 94, and they are very old. I have three out here. Two of them are this age, and then there's one newer one. And I did find out on this, it's probably pretty important that you have the spring set to where it actually kind of helps you lift the door. This door was never set right. So it was very hard to lift the door. And so this opener was working really, really hard over the years. So it didn't do that gear any good. So we're going to go ahead and just throw this away and we'll get a new one. I'll hang on to it just in case I have to rebuild it. I don't think new ones aren't, I guess they're still available, I probably can't get parts for this anyway. So I haven't tried, don't care about it. I only have one remote that works for it. Can't get remotes for it anymore that I can find. So it's time for it to go. And there's two bolts up here. There's a nut here and a bolt, it's a bolt, nut and bolt on each side. So I'm going to take those loose, and down at that end, there's a pin with a cotter key that holds that bracket in down there. I'll take you down there and show you. There. So there's a pin. Right there is the cotter. So take a look. It looks like the actual cotter key, not a cotter nail. So this will come down pretty easy. And just put it out in one piece for the junk man, I think. It's probably, looking at that chain, it hasn't been oiled probably in 20 years or ever. So I will get to work on that here and get that done today. I don't think there's much else to show you on this. I already disconnected this from the bracket on the door, which is right here. It was connected right here on that, lifts the door up. And I will try to figure out, I used to know how to do that, get this spring up here, get some tension on it so it's not so hard to lift. I believe it's right here. Now this is tied off right here. And it's just tied back to there. So you pull a bit more pressure on that. Get the spring here, back to here maybe. So let's put more pressure on it, help me lift that door up until I get a new opener on here. So I just watched part of my video back. I saw I had some of that nylon gear in my beard there. So got that going. That looks a little better. Don't look so sloppy. I already dressed sloppy like, So anyway, thanks for watching, and be sure to tell your friends about Home Repair with Augie, and please subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.